Designed by Post Architecture Inc., the Bennington Farmhouse is a contemporary farmhouse-inspired home located in Toronto's Bennington Heights neighborhood, Canada. This urban farmhouse is a replacement of an old house that was on the property, with the new design including a two-story white gabled structure, as well as flat-roofed additions on 3 sides. Exterior materials of the house include a white metal roof and show sooty band charred wood siding, some of which was stained white to reflect the former house design. Black, steel-clad sections have also been used to contrast the white elements. Go to inside, there's an entryway with a small wood-lined bench area. There's a large floor-to-ceiling corner window that fills the space with natural light and provides views of the street from this urban farmhouse. The open-plan living room shows a color palette of light wood and black details, which can be found throughout the home. There's also a wood-burning Rumford fireplace with a fluted surround and hearth in gray quartz. Next to the fireplace is a wood slat detail that hides a storage cabinet. The dining room, which is also open plan, has a large wood table and matching chairs. 2 simple white pendant lights hang above the table for a contemporary look. Natural oak and gray quartz have also been used in the kitchen, however this time, black has been used as an accent with the inclusion of minimalist pendant lights, stools, and upper shelves. A covered patio for outdoor dining, while a casual lounge area is located nearby. And then there's a family room, a gas-fueled fireplace, and built-in bookshelf. Engineered white oak flooring continues up the stairs and to the upper floor of the home. The stairs include wood slat railings and a handrail with hidden lighting. A laundry closet is located at the top of the stairs, making it easy to do laundry for the upstairs bedrooms and bathrooms. The primary bedroom has a white oak accent wall behind the bed, with matching floating bedside tables. There's also a built-in window bench and black window frames that complement the black wall-mounted light. The primary bedroom also includes a walk-in closet with shoe storage, a large mirror, and skylights. The ensuite bathroom has a feature wall made using large limestone slabs, while wall-mounted lighting is an interesting way to create a calming atmosphere. Another bedroom includes a custom-designed desk lined with wood that matches the angle of the ceiling. In a guest bathroom, the color palette has been kept simple, with white walls and wall tiles, white oak vanity, and dark tiles in a chevron pattern. The home's basement level has a gym with a mirrored wall and black accent walls. A large laundry room includes custom cabinetry that houses the laundry machines, while the adjacent wall is dedicated to storage and wine storage. An added bonus space in the basement includes a dog wash station with built-in storage underneath. Here's a look at the plan.